Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lower dish rack roller in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lower dish rack roller and the instructions. There are 8 rollers on a lower dish rack. They support the dish rack and allow it to roll in and out. The main reason why the dish rack roller would need to be replaced is if it breaks off, causing the dish rack to jam. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Roll out the lower dish rack, and then we can pick it up. I'm going to close the door because it's on my way, and I'm going to place the lower dish rack assembly on the countertop. To remove the roller cover, we need to press down on the 4 tabs and push it down, and this one. And if it won't come off right away, then we need to use a flat blade screwdriver, and we're going to press down on the tabs inside this opening. At this point, we can easily remove this lower dish rack roller by sliding it off. This is the old lower dish rack roller next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So the new one just slides on. Then we can place the roller cover on and push it into lock. Now we can install it. Place the dish rack on the door, and we're going to slide it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.